How to change Facebook page URL. So if you want to change the Facebook page URL, then what you need to do is first you need to open up your Facebook on your browser, because you can't do that on your application. So open up your Google browser or Chrome, anything that you're comfortable with, and make sure to log into your account on your browser. Once you've logged in, now make sure to switch to your Facebook page. And after switching to your Facebook page, you need to go with the upper right, which has that three bar icon, and go with your profile. Once you go with your profile, make sure that you're under the desktop side. So turn on the desktop side. Once you've turned it on, go with the upper right, which has that profile option, and choose the account. Once you've chosen the account or the page, you need to go with the settings and privacy, and then tap on settings. And after that, here on the left side, you will have the page setup option. Simply tap on page setup, and after that, here on the first, you will have the name. So tap on name. Once you tap on it, it will take you to the general page settings, and you will have the name and the username. So if you've not set the username, then you can go and set your username. But if you want to change the username or the URL, then you can simply go with edit, which is on the right side, and then you can change or edit your username. So that's how you can change your Facebook page URL. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.